Confidence is like you don't know what it is, but you are sure you are going to make it. Yes, you make it by the sheer chance or by the compassion of the driver. But after 1 or 2 days, we really know where to pick you up. Hello and namaskar to all my wonderful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully, you all are good and doing great in your life. So today, let's discuss about confidence. So, what is confidence? Confidence is the most dangerous and the terrible things in this world. What people need in this world is clarity of perception. Where this clarity is missing, people try to substitute the confidence for clarity. Confidence without clarity is the most disastrous things in the world. It is like you want to cross the road. If your vision is clear and you see the road very clearly, then you can cross the road without any problem. But if you just want to cross it, which many human beings try to do, maybe you can to cross it by sheer chance or by the compassion of the driver. So what people need is clarity of perception and enhancement of perception, which our education system is completely failed have completely failed to address. If you can perceive something that other human being cannot perceive, that gives you the that makes you an entrepreneur, a leader, or give that necessary edge in this universe. So what we need is the clarity of perception and the enhancement of perception. It is what we can see or experience that we can perceive. Rest is only all is imagination, because only these eyes, through these eyes we can see only what is physicality, what is here. Physicality is only a piece of the planet that we have gathered. So what we need is a clarity and perception beyond physicality, and that is the whole dimension of yoga. You can see people are worshipping some people who achieve something great or phenomenal or meaningful in this world. People worship them like a god. They are not like god. They are just strive, or they are achieve a perception or the enhancement of perception which is beyond physicality and which is other people missing. It is only that they are striving, which other people are not striving or missing. So what needs to be successful is the clarity of perception and the enhancement of perception. People are successful because they perceive something what other people have missed. So it is that they are successful. So that's it from today's video. I hope you like it. Always stay healthy, stay joyful, stay blessed, and stay happy. Thank you so very much. Namaskar. Love you all.